Open the package. Ensure the 4 drawing pages are included. Verify that all items are present. Remove all packaging and identify what the position of each part is based on their labels. Verify that all parts for KLICK and P and PKL and BK are present. Empty components from KLICK and P and KL and BK and discard any excess parts not required for surface mount installation. Review page 3 and use for reference. Note that part A3 KL Live and BK comes pre-installed by the factory. Remove PC cover from the tracks. Grasp A1/A3 and install the electrical eye connector and mechanical eye connector. Grasp the second A1 and install it into position. Secure the mechanical eye connector. Grasp A2, holding it at an angle, and slide it into position. Repeat for the other side. Pick up A4 and snap it into position.